Hi Pioneers, my name is Gracie Weems. I'm a proud graduate of Tusculum University and now I'm excited to be joining the team. And I'm here to welcome you to the Orange Carpet premiere here at the Capitol Theater in downtown Greeneville on February 8th from 5:30 to 6:30. It's not just an event, it's a celebration for all Pioneers. Students, alumni, staff, faculty, and our amazing community. So mark your calendars, grab your black, orange, or any formal attire, and get ready to walk the orange carpet with us. For those of you who can't make it in person, don't worry, we've got you covered. Join me for a special Facebook Live exclusive where we will bring you exclusive interviews, behind-the-scenes shots, and all of the excitement of the College Tour premiere. It's a night filled with nostalgia, pride, and the Pioneer spirit. So whether you're here in person or joining us virtually, let's make this premiere unforgettable together. Save the date, February 8th, 5:30 to 6:30 at the Capitol Theater. Be there, be part of the excitement, and let's show the world what it means to be a Tusculum Pioneer. We can't wait to see you there.